What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, my vlog. So today, it's Wednesday, December 3rd, 2025. So today is Wednesday, and so guys, you see my last video I just posted since yesterday about my school got canceled yesterday. You guys seen the video yet? Check it out. I got taught my description, top of my head. And guys, I'm going to the school today, and I have a bocce ball practice later. And yeah, so I was playing Fortnite since yesterday. Jake at the end. So Jake, thank you for playing Fortnite with me yesterday. And yeah. So guys, smash that like button to make more videos. Like, subscribe, post notifications, no comments. See you guys next time. Happy Wednesday, everybody. See you guys next time. See y'all. Peace.